Dr. Nadir Pourhassan, president and CEO of biotechnology company CytoDyn, that developed leronlimab, an antibody that fights viruses and illnesses.
The mechanism of action, again, is it brings back this immune system and make it normal.
Pourhassan says that the drug was tested on HIV and breast cancer patients in phase 1 of the trial.
We have had 840 patients taking this product for HIV with a different mechanism of action, and we had zero drug-related serious adverse events.
Pourhassan says he redirected the study to focus on COVID-19 patients because of the devastating worldwide pandemic. And since he'd proved the safety of leronlimab in phase 1, the FDA gave his company accelerated approval to test it on COVID-19 patients. Phase 2 is being conducted at 3 Novant Health locations in North Carolina.
This is an amazing opportunity, not just for Novant Health, but for the patients in our service area, the patients that we're privileged to care for. And we were able to redirect or pivot from other research priorities to immediately address the pandemic.
Pourhassan says 75 mild to moderate COVID-19 patients will be chosen for this 6-week study where they'll be injected with leronlimab.
We see the results, and we are starting to be a very big believer because of the results in human study, not because of all the mechanism of action and the hypotheses and theories and all the preclinical study, based upon human data live as we're getting it.
He says the next and hopefully their final stage will be to perform a clinical trial on 390 patients with severe to critical COVID-19. Pourhassan says they're ready to start as soon as the FDA gives them the approval. He says the support from the FDA, medical institutions, universities, and patients has been amazing.
This kind of text and messages, it just brings tears to anybody's eyes, and everybody, it's a very emotional thing. This is a very sad time for everybody in the world, and for us to be able to save few people even, it's just an amazing feeling.
In Winston-Salem, I'm Caitlin Miller, Spectrum News.